Here's interesting app called Structured Daily Planner. It's constantly highlighted as editor's choice in the App Store in US. So I'm just curious to discover and go through this app with you. So let's just take a look how it looks like. Sometimes we just need to plan our days to make better use of the hours. Sometimes we just need our days to be more structured. Structured is an app for people who need structures of their life or just like to know what's up next. Calendars and to-do lists can be fine, but sometimes we just need everything laid out, ready for us to tackle the day. So you can just explore it, timeline of your day, create tasks. So yeah, here you have it. And this is the how the app looks like. So I never used it before. I'm just doing like a tutorial walkthrough with you guys. So here it's like I have a day. All right, so welcome, create your first task, fill your inbox, make it your, and then 10 p.m. sleep well, 6 a.m. wake up. So answer email, for example, let's say, and then I just need to say it should take me 30 minutes and the date should be like tomorrow, let's say. Which color? I can set up different color, need alerts at start of the task or at the end of the task. So then you just need to upgrade. Or you can also add a subtask and there you have it. So for tomorrow, I just created this task. I can copy the task. I can just copy them into Friday 17th. Then, yeah, I have these settings. You can see notification and alerts. You can see all of these settings. You can see appearance. You can see iCloud sync if you want. Then calendars. So that's the thing I was looking for. So you can't integrate with your like Apple Cal or Google Cal if you just using this app for free. So you need to upgrade $2.99 per month to just actually upgrade. And yeah. Here's another app, OneSec, which I tried out also as well. It's a nice app to help out you with focusing and with productivity. Then you can just follow them in Mastodon, TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, so that's the idea of it. So yeah, that's basically how it works. You just add in all of these tasks and then you just kind of have a bit better layout of your day. So it's just like how your calendar looks like, I don't know if it's super different from your standard Apple Cal or something like that. So here you just have a day and then you just have a list of tasks during that day. Is it like completely life-changing compared to the calendar view? I don't know. So, but for some people, it's just easier to navigate this way where you have a specific day and then you instantly have kind of like to-do list attached instead of like, going to Google Calendar on mobile, which is not the great view, to be honest, and then navigating through the meetings. And yeah, so this is just like a nicer design, I would say, nicer layout for you to try out. I don't know if this app is mostly for work or is it for also just for yourself, just like hobby planning. So yeah, for example, meeting, and then you can just complete it. So yeah, I kind of see it's like just a better designed calendar app. And then you can do a lot of this stuff for free. Then if you want to really integrate with your own calendars, you will need to upgrade. If you want to delete your account, you can also do it from here. So there you have it.